Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Broken Bougie back at it again. So in today's video, we're going to do a luxury apartment tour in Harford County, Maryland. So I wanted to give you a tour of my apartment, which is in a luxury community in Harford County, Maryland, and the development has only been up for 2 years, so it's fairly new. So if you want to see what a luxury apartment in Harford County looks like and what it will cost you, stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm back. So let's start the tour. So in this development comes with a key fob, and let's take the tour. So when you step in, you step right into the living room. This is our living room. As you can see, it's fairly big. It holds a fairly big sectional. And we got this sectional from Wayfair, and guess how much it costs? It costs only about $800. And we got this yellow rug, well, mustard yellow rug from IKEA, and I believe you only paid like $40 for that rug. We got this TV stand from Wayfair, and that was about maybe $180 at the most. And we got a smart TV. I forgot the size of this TV. Oh, it's a 65-inch, and of course we got Alexa over there. So we have these mustard yellow walls that we painted ourselves with the help of my mom, and of course some African art. So when you walk into the apartment, you have these double door walk-in closet. This is obviously the coat closet, and let's see what's in here. It is a walk-in closet, and as you can see, you could fit so many things in here. So this is our coat closet slash storage closet, and guess what all this storage is? Shoes. Don't judge me, judge your mama. And also up top, I have all my purses. It has hats and miscellaneous stuff in there. And right when you walk in, you have the intercom. This intercom allows you to see the person outside before you buzz them in. And here's where I hang. This is where we hang our keys at. Mask, of course, hats, purses. And right here, we have some more African art. Actually, my older cousin made this when she was younger and gave it to my grandmother, and now it's mine. And we have another mustard yellow accent wall as we move into the dining room. This is our dining room table. And guess what? We got this from Habitat of Humanity. The table came from Habitat of Humanity, and it was only $50. The chairs that you see, we bought these brand new. It came in a set of 2 from Wayfair. And this accent chair, my grandmother bought me this in one of my old apartments as a housewarming gift, and it's sitting here in the corner next to my mustard yellow accent wall. Now we come around the dining room table, and you see we have a patio. Is this considered a patio? No, it's considered a balcony. So let's see. It comes with 2 doors to keep the bugs out. As you can see, here's the patio. Has a nice space. We're gonna step back in because it is too cold out here. As you can see, it's got some snow on the ground. So we're gonna move on to the kitchen island. As you can see, we have 2 bar stools here. That's in the shade wine. And guess what we got that from? Wayfair. We got that from Wayfair as well. It was fairly cheap. It came in a set of 2. And here's our big kitchen island. And we're gonna step into the kitchen. We have our stainless steel refrigerator here. And this kitchen is fairly huge for an apartment. Look at all this cabinet space. We have so much cabinet space. And I love the fact that it came with dark wood cabinets. I hate white cabinets. Like, I hate white cabinets. Look at all this cabinet space that we have. All these drawers. Look at all of that. It comes, of course, with a dishwasher. Look at all this cabinet space. It comes with a self-cleaning oven. Comes with a microwave. Look, I'm still showing cabinets. All these cabinets. All these cabinets. And then we also have cabinets up top. And I like the fact that it also comes with these marble granite type coverings. I love that. So much space. And I also love the fact that it comes with a window. So it also has a huge pantry inside the kitchen area. As you can see, we have so much different things in this pantry. We have snacks, we have canned goods, drinks, trash bags, just a whole bunch of different things because there's so much space in here and there's only 2 of us, so we don't have that many groceries. So this is also considered storage. I love storage. So I forgot to show you this. Once you walk into the front door, there is a room right by the entrance door, and this is considered the bonus room. The bonus room is called the den. So this is technically a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath apartment, but it comes with a bonus room, which is considered a den, which can be used as a bedroom, office space, game room, anything of the above. And what we use this for is what I just said. This is a guest bedroom, a game room, as you can see. We have game systems right there, a game room, a filming room, and an office. And we also painted the walls mustard yellow in here. All I need is some artwork on the wall and it'll be straight. So this mattress, I know you wonder, like, why you have a mattress on the floor? Well, we had initially bought this mattress for our other guest bedroom, but the mattress didn't go with the box spring. It wasn't comfortable. And so, of course, when you buy a mattress, you can't return the mattress, but they do refund you your money at Wayfair. So we were stuck with a mattress, a brand new mattress. So we was like, well, this is another guest bedroom anyway, so we might as well keep it. So we kept it. We put sheets and everything on it. So this is another guest bedroom, and everybody says it's comfortable the way it is. And actually, this room is so big that it could fit this king size mattress, a queen size mattress, this office table, and everything else that's in this room. The only thing I wish it came with was with a closet. I wish it came with a closet. So we're gonna walk out this room, the den. So now we're gonna go walk down the hallway. As you can see, we have this mirror installed here, so I can check out my outfits before I leave. And to the left, we have our linen closet right here. And then to the right, we have our laundry room. Now the washer and dryer comes with the apartment at no extra cost. And then to the left, as you walk down the hallway, this is the the main guest bedroom. So as you can see, I call this the abstract room with abstract art because it has different patterns, different textures, different colors. And if you guys know me, you know that I love art and I love color, and I just love creativity. So these mirrors, guess what? We found this. Well, my mom found this at Habitat of Humanity. Brand new, perfect condition. That's bomb. And this is a king size mattress and bed frame that we have in this room. And we got this blanket from, actually, it was either Costco or Sam's Club. And I loved how it's ethnic and Aztec. And so we have these 2 rainbow carts as nightstands in the room, which initially wasn't a nightstand. I had these 2 rainbow cards actually come from my classroom when I was a teacher. And I'm like, I'm not gonna throw these away. So these came in good use to go in this colorful abstract art room. And those lamps was actually lamps that I had in my office at work. And I definitely wasn't gonna get rid of them, so I put them in here. So those rainbow cards, and guess what? It's more storage. And this right here, a makeshift TV stand because we don't have a TV stand, but we have a TV in here for the guests. And this is another walk-in closet that has my clothes and all my stuff in here because I have the most stuff. Another walk-in closet. As you can see, we have masks. They are drying. It's a shame that you have to have masks everywhere in your house. So we're gonna walk out the guest bedroom, and then we're gonna walk further down the hallway, and then to the right, you have a guest full bathroom. And the colors in here, I want it to be tropical so I can feel like I'm always on vacation. So the accent colors is red, green, white, black. This is the guest bathroom. And as you can see, has a big full mirror and the same countertops as it is in the kitchen, and plenty of storage. So we're gonna walk out of there, and here comes the master bedroom. As you can see, this is the master bedroom closet, packed to capacity, but you can always add more, right? All my shoes. This is actually all my fall and winter shoes. I haven't changed out my closet yet because as soon as spring and summer come, oh, best believe I will have more shoes in this. And then right there, that's a mirror that I wanted to make sure that is out the way from everybody, because that mirror is an antique. It was my great-grandmother's mirror. It was my grandmother's mirror. Now it's my mirror. And I didn't want it to get broken or anything. Then we're gonna come over here to the master bathroom. As you can see, we have that glass shower, standing shower. Love my shower. And the colors in here is like a teal. Same countertops as the other bathroom and the kitchen. As you can see, my skincare fridge. Here's a big mirror. Hey, you see me in the mirror? And then we're gonna come on out of here. And as you can see, my walls in here are mustard yellow as well. Hey, there's your girl right there. So the colors in here is gray and mustard yellow. We have this. We got this from Big Lots, and it's more storage. And then we're gonna come over to the bed. This is also a king size bed. And we got this bed frame from Wayfair. And we also, Wayfair also allows you to hire someone to put your furniture together. So we got someone from Handy to put this together. And this is a master bedroom, a king size bed. And here's the other nightstand. And as you can see, we have these 2 large double windows. Love it. Brings in so much natural light. And then right here, we have our TV, my rose gold fan that I got from Home Goods. And we got this, what is this thing? Oh, dresser from IKEA for only, I think, maybe $200. And then, so this bedroom actually has a lot of space. We have so much stuff in here. And this apartment is so huge for it to be just a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath apartment with a extra room, which is, the extra room is the size of double the guest bedroom. So we're gonna come back down the hallway. That's my dryer making that noise. We're gonna come back down the hallway, and there you go. That is the tour of a luxury apartment in Harford County. So, how did you like the tour? So I know all of you guys are wondering, well, how much did this cost you? You know, you are up north, so up north is kind of expensive, right? Well, for the price of what we actually got, all this space and all the amenities, really wasn't that bad. We pay about $15.25 for all of this. And it comes with, of course, all the amenities that's outside, the pool, the guest house, and all that stuff. Far as our power in Harford County, how much is BG&E? Actually, we only pay $130 a month. Not bad. How much is the water bill? The water bill is only $30 a month. And it's the same amount every month for the power and for the water. No surprise. And we don't pay gas. So this is actually pretty affordable. I love my community. It's nice and quiet, clean. Management is great. We have no problems. I love it here. So if you want to see any more videos like this, let me know. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you guys later. Deuces.